Greetings, folks. This is DC Investing. I talk about topics that help people on their path to financial independence. And one thing I wanted to mention is a thing called a QCD, or Qualified Charitable Distribution. If you're a working person, I think most people that are in this that are one of my followers are kind of younger, somewhere from the 30 to 50-year age range, and QCDs don't come into account till you're over 70. So what this is a thing to help your parents out to do um, their RMDs. And so a QCD is a qualified charitable contribution. And so a lot of older folks make charitable contributions. They do some good in the world. And if you have a pre-tax retirement account like a 401k or an IRA, once you get above a certain age, like 70 to 73, 75, you're forced to take out required minimum distributions, which are RMDs. And when you pull that funding out of your account, it makes your tax rate go higher. And for some folks that they don't make enough to make a difference, but there's other folks that have assets and other investment income, rental income, and all that, and they may be in a really high tax bracket. So help your parents out and teach them about QCDs, which is qualified charitable contributions. So when you pull money out of your brokerage account, if you send it directly to a charity, it counts as a charitable contribution, and then you don't get taxed on that amount. So depending on what you're going to donate, maybe it's $5,000, maybe it's $10,000, $20,000. I don't know what your RMD is, but if you plan on doing any donation, just pulling it directly from your retirement account, sending it directly to a charity, makes it so it does not show up on your tax bracket. So you pay less in tax. And that means that the charity gets more income from it. So I've been helping my own mother with this over the past few years. We kind of figure out how much she wants to donate, and it's about half of what her RMD would be from an IRA account that she has. And so by pulling half out as a normal R&D and half out as a QCD, then she doesn't get taxed on the amount that she was going to donate anyway. So look into that. Look it up online if you're curious about how it works or what it is. But as folks seeking financial independence, we need to help others around us, and particularly watch out for our parents. And knowing that you can do a QCD is a way to lower your overall taxation. It can lower your IRMA costs. It can lower the tax rates. Might make some differences in something for your health insurance or something. I don't know. Definitely IRMA, you could affect that. So there's your thought for today. Look into what a QCD is, and don't forget about your parents. If they aren't financially savvy, giving them a little bit of help for how to pull money out of an IRA or a 401k as a QCD can help them out a bunch. So thanks so much. We'll see you. Bye.